Hello everyone. Today I'm going to refute Darwinism on the basis of fact and scientific evidence. So let's dive in and understand what this is all about. Darwinism, based on the theory of evolution by natural selection, claims that life evolved over time due to random mutations and survival of the fittest. However, many arguments challenge this idea, especially when we examine the process of natural selection and the existence of consciousness. Let's explore these points. 1. No consciousness in natural selection. Natural selection is described as a mechanical process, meaning it happens automatically without any consciousness, intention, or decision-making. If natural selection has no consciousness, how can it decide what is good or bad for a living organism? For example, a giraffe is said to have evolved a long neck because it needed to reach high trees for food. But how did nature know that a longer neck would help the giraffe survive? Without consciousness or planning, this process seems more like an assumption than an explanation. Natural selection is not a thinking entity. It cannot deliberately improve a species or guide its evolution. This makes it difficult to believe that complex traits, like the human eye or bird wings, could have developed simply through random changes. 1. Consciousness cannot come from matter. Darwinism assumes that life and consciousness are byproducts of matter. But how can something as complex as consciousness arise from simple, unconscious matter? Rocks and chemicals have no awareness. If the universe is made of unconscious matter, how did humans develop thoughts, emotions, and self-awareness? This question challenges the core of Darwinism. Random changes in physical matter cannot explain the emergence of something as profound as consciousness. An important question remains to answer, that is, if matter has no consciousness, then how can consciousness arise from matter? Absolutely not. Darwinism never replies this question. 1. Can a mechanical process create purpose? The answer is no. Darwinism claims that natural selection, a blind and mechanical process, explains the diversity of life. However, life is full of purpose and meaning, which cannot arise from random, purposeless processes. Purpose in nature. Bees pollinate flowers, ecosystems maintain balance, and organisms interact in complex, goal-oriented ways. A mechanical process cannot create this inherent purpose. Human consciousness. Humans seek meaning, create art, and pursue knowledge. These purposeful behaviors cannot be explained by random mutations and survival alone. Irreducible complexity. Systems like the human eye or bird wings require all parts to function. Such intricate designs imply purpose, not blind chance. Life's meaning and purpose challenge the idea that it is the result of purely mechanical processes. Randomness cannot account for the complexity and intentionality seen in nature. 1. Natural selection can't create new species because it's being mechanical process. Natural selection is a mechanical process that cannot add new genes, improve existing ones, or modify genes to transform one species into another. It merely selects from what already exists. Random mutations, which natural selection depends on, are often harmful and lack the ability to create entirely new features or species. This raises significant doubts about its ability to explain the complexity and diversity of life. Instead, these challenges invite us to explore alternative explanations for the origin of life, ones that acknowledge the limitations of matter, the uniqueness of consciousness, and the incredible complexity of living systems. In short, the theory of mechanical macroevolution is wrong. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand educational videos.